So I'm sitting here in the park, just got in a walk with a friend, and I'm reflecting on the roles we play in our lives. Some of us are mothers, some of us are daughters, some sisters, some colleagues, some friends, some aunties. We all have these different roles that we play and we lock into. And as we play those roles, sometimes it causes us to have a blind spot. What do you mean by that, Joanne? What I mean is the blind spot is I can't see who you are as a person because I'm so locked into the role you play in my life as my mom, as my sister, as my auntie, as the person who bails me out all the time. I want to invite you to take a look at the person for who they are, minus the title they carry. Oftentimes, we're upset because we didn't get what we needed from our father because he was absent. But I want you to think about him as a person first. And maybe you can find forgiveness there because if you got to know him as a person and versus a father, you may see what he lacked that caused him not to be able to show up for you as a father because he didn't get what he needed. If we follow the trail, if your mother wasn't able to be the mother that you thought she should have been, perhaps take a walk down memory lane with her to see what she lacked in her life that caused her not to show up for you in your life. But one of the things we can all be grateful for is that our parents were the vehicle that brought us here. And we have siblings. If those siblings are not who we think they should be, perhaps we should take a minute to look beyond their title, to look beyond their role. And I personally believe that we have written all these people into the script of our life so that they can show up for us in a way that helps us to see ourselves. So that's just my reflection for this morning. I was really thinking about the roles we come here to play and how they impact our life and how we see ourselves and others as we go about our daily lives. So as we come to a close of 2024, perhaps you're checking off all the things that you accomplished, or you may be feeling like I didn't accomplish what I thought I would. Either way, I see you and I applaud you. Maybe you were like me. God said, I need you to slow down this year and not have so many things to check off and just go with the flow. And I'm so glad I did because either way, it was a spectacular year because you're still here. I love you. I'm your self-care coach, and I will see you next time. Take care.